Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by freeing the device resources that Geometry-Mobile needs. That's the real foundation. Close background apps and force stop anything using CPU or network. Once done, enable performance or game mode on your phone and lock the refresh rate to 60 Hz to reduce fluctuations. You should also clear the app cache and reboot. This gives you a clean memory state. These immediate changes stop the biggest causes of lag, so the game can run consistently. You now adjust the game's internal settings so the renderer does less work. Reduce particle counts, disable shadows and animated backgrounds, and set the in-game quality to low or medium. This directly cuts draw calls and GPU load. Make sure to turn off any music syncing or dynamic shader effects, because those can cause CPU spikes mid-run. Once these are changed, test a short level. If frame drops persist, repeat with one more option lowered, and keep the changes that give smooth play. You finish by eliminating lingering software and thermal issues that cause intermittent lag. If performance still drops, uninstall and reinstall the game to clear corrupted assets or bad config files. Also, monitor device temperature. If it's hot, let it cool and avoid charging while playing because thermal throttling reduces performance. Finally, disable background updates and automatic downloads. They can start mid-run and kill frames. If something goes wrong after reinstalling,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.